Okay, so here are the things to look for when you're putting it in. It's tight, so the space on the bottom is not very wide, and it's tight on the motors. The trickier one is that it is also tight to get past this little lip of the housing, and you kind of have to squeeze it. So I'm going to show you how to put it back in, and then I'll show you the trick for taking it out, which is easier. But just so you just lay it on its back here, start stuffing it in, and you'll have to pry it a little bit here to get the first motor in. That's kind of sticky point number one. Then there are sticky point number two is right about here. And what I do is squeeze the chassis this way, which makes it pop up, and that gets you past the sticky point. So these two little screws were kind of getting stuck there, and I did the squeeze to get it in. Now I'm down here to sticky point number, the other motor, and this, you can do it, we have a little fixture, but you can just do it on a table too. So this one, just kind of try and wiggle. Not as skilled at this as I thought I was. Oh, maybe I'm up to sticky point number two here, which is one of these screws is now caught on the same edge. So I will do the same trick of squeezing the chassis, and that's how I got that screw by. And now I can buy the bottom one in, and at that point you can just kind of slide it up till you feel till you get this through. Now I also seem to have screwed up the harness here. I got wires caught under the machine, so those have to go out of the way until this guy can sit flush, which he's not doing terribly well right now. Let me see if I got wires stuck somewhere else. Okay, so the taking it out piece, there are a couple of tricks. So first thing I would do is take out the 6 screws on the top. Then you have to take out 3 screws on the battery holder. And then when this comes out, it'll be plugged in. And to release this plug, you have to give it a little squeeze there to get the latch out. Then at that point, flip it upside down, undo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 screws on the bottom. And I believe on your machine, this harness, the wire harness, is zip tied to the leg here to keep it out of the way. So you will have to clip that zip tie before you start to pull it out. And then pulling it out is just the same as pushing it in. You're gonna have all the same kind of sticky points. So first, you gotta get that motor passed, which isn't too bad. This is the worst one right here. So get in and give it a good squeeze and a wiggle. And then you'll get the same little catch point here, which needs another squeeze and a wiggle. And actually for you, since you're just trying to get this screw off, well, if you're just trying to get this screw off, that's out far enough, and you should be able to get your ball out. I'll try and take a few pictures and maybe make a write-up separately, but hopefully that gives you an idea of what's coming. Cool, thank you.